Welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're discussing the best ChatGPT plugins that can supercharge your business. Whether you're looking to streamline your processes or boost productivity, these plugins are game changers. So let's get started. Step 1. Financial and accounting tools. Managing your business finances is crucial, and ChatGPT has plugins to make it easier. Zapier automates tasks across over 5,000 apps like Google Sheets and QuickBooks. Imagine moving data into your accounting software without lifting a finger. Xero simplifies managing invoices and tracking expenses. Need a financial report? It's just a few clicks away. QuickBooks integration handles your bookkeeping in real time, while Expensify tracks expenses and generates reports automatically. With these tools, managing your finances has never been smoother. Step 2. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Keeping track of customer interactions is key to building strong relationships. HubSpot allows you to automate email campaigns and manage your sales pipeline directly through ChatGPT. Salesforce takes customer relationship management to the next level by tracking customer data and opportunities more efficiently. These CRM plugins help you stay organized and boost your customer satisfaction. Step 3. Marketing and SEO tools. Marketing drives growth, and these plugins will help you optimize your efforts. SEO tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush provide keyword insights and help you improve your website's ranking. Social media plugins manage content posting, scheduling, and tracking, saving you time while keeping your online presence active. With these plugins, your marketing strategy can reach new heights. Step 4. Project and task management. Keeping your team organized is critical. Trello, Asana, and ClickUp are all integrated with ChatGPT, allowing teams to collaborate smoothly, track tasks, and manage projects with ease. These tools ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and deadlines are always met. Step 5. Document and file management. Keep everything organized and at your fingertips. Google Workspace and Dropbox plugins make collaboration a breeze, allowing your team to work together on files without switching between apps. Step 6. E-commerce tools. Running an online store? You'll love these plugins. Shopify and WooCommerce integrations help you track sales, manage inventory, and respond to customer inquiries all within ChatGPT. Step 7. Data analysis and reporting. Data is key to decision making. Microsoft Power BI and Tableau plugins allow you to visualize and analyze your business data, providing insights that drive growth. Step 8. Sales and lead generation. Boost your sales efforts with these plugins. Lead Squared helps automate lead generation, while Clearbit enriches your customer data, making your outreach more effective. Step 9. Legal and compliance. Keep your business compliant with ease. LegalZoom gives you access to legal documents, and DocuSign enables e-signature management right from ChatGPT. And finally, Step 10. Customer support. Happy customers mean a successful business. Intercom and Zendesk integrations make it easier to manage customer inquiries and automate support messages. These tools help you keep your customers engaged and satisfied. In conclusion, we've explored how ChatGPT plugins can transform your business operations. From managing finances with tools like QuickBooks and Xero to boosting customer relationships through HubSpot and Salesforce, these plugins streamline processes and increase efficiency. Marketing and SEO tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and social media plugins enhance your online presence, while project management tools such as Trello and Asana keep teams organized. Additionally, e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce simplify sales management, while data analysis tools like Microsoft Power BI and Tableau offer valuable insights. Legal tools and customer support integrations ensure compliance and satisfaction. These plugins are essential for optimizing your business. Let us know in the comments below how they've helped your business thrive, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Truehost Academy for more business tips and AI tools.